Hello there. My name is Gavin Lumsden, and this is my grade 12 computer science internal assessment. I go to Sturgeon Heights Collegiate. My teacher is Lawrence Walks, Mr. Walks. And yeah, here's the internal assessment. It's very simple. It's called Video Game Database. You can enter the name, author, release date, and genre of a game. You press create. Obviously, I have nothing in there, and it gets displayed here. You can upload the database. Obviously, there's nothing right now. You can clear that box. You can search by a name. You just have to enter something in there. You can sort by a property of a game. You can save the database. You can delete the new database. You can open the database. We have nothing in there right now, so it's not going to open anything. And you can delete the saved database. So we can jump right in ahead here and start entering some games. I made this for my friend Kevin because he loves playing video games, and I know he has so many that he's definitely lost count of how many he has, and it's hard to keep track of them, so I figured I'd make this for him so he can organize himself a little better. So as you see, I entered the details of the video game called Overwatch. That is his favorite game to play, and you see we have our list here. So if we keep entering information, obviously I want to speed this process up a little. Then you see the more that we display, the more they get, or the more we enter, the more they get displayed down here. Yes, so we can, just another little function here, we can clear those boxes. Yes, so we can clear this output box, we can open the database, as I said before. We're searching, we use the linear search for this. Enter the name of the game, let's look for Overwatch. And as you see, we found Overwatch. Overwatch is a game created in May 2016 by Blizzard Entertainment, and it is a first-person shooter game. We can search for, how many is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we will find this. It doesn't make much sense, obviously, but if you were to enter it correctly, it would. And we can sort by, let's say, name. Yes, so as you see, we have alphabetically ordered, organized, sorted. Sorry, waking up early in the morning. We can sort by genre. That's not how you spell genre. There we go. And you see it is in alphabetical order. Yeah, that's about it there. So we can save this database here. You can sort by any property. Yes, we can save the database. So if we were to delete this and open, we'd see we have the same thing. If we were to delete it and output, there is nothing there. But if we were to open, clear, and output, then you see we would have our list here. So if we were to delete this and delete the saved, when we open it, we get the error message because there's nothing there. If we were to just type in some things here, save it, close the program, run it again, and open, you see we have the same list. And that is about it. It's very simple. I didn't want to do anything too fancy because I want him to be able to understand what he's doing. So as you see, we use the NetBeans built-in designer here to build our program. We use buttons and labels and all that. Not much to the code here. The main bulk of the code is in the engine class because that's what really controls the user interface. You see when we're searching, we use our linear search. When we're sorting, we use our bubble sort, and there's lots of error checking involved to make sure it's foolproof, we can't break it, like getting an input, there's a lot there. And moving on to our searching and sorting, you see we have a wide variety of algorithms we could use, but I used the bubble, which should be right up here. I modified it so we could sort by author or genre or release date or name. For a search, I only used the linear, but there are some other options here. Numbers, I don't really use it. It's just mainly used for this file handler class, which was created by my teacher. I just use it for file management. So it's pretty simple. You save, and we use the writers, and we did go into it in class, so we understand what we're doing at least. But we have lots of try catch blocks and stuff to make sure when you got that error message that it wasn't crashing the program, opening and stuff and all that. Moving on to the linked list. This was created by me, but in class, so it's a lot to it. We have lots and lots of methods. I obviously don't use them all. It's just really simple storing the a list of the game class, which is also just a pretty simple class. Main class is nothing fancy, you know, just going into the UI, sets the engine, instantiates the objects that we need. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.